Good morning, students. Welcome back to the e-learning class of reasoning. Today, we are going to discuss the topic blood relations. So, what is blood relation? Blood relations are logical problems which involve analysis of information showing relationship among members of a family. In simple words, blood relations describes the relationship between two individuals which are connected to each other in a certain manner. It doesn't necessarily mean that the two persons must be of same blood. For example, a person's sister's husband, though not sharing a common blood, still they are related to each other. As brother-in-law, blood relations may be broadly divided into two main categories. Relations on mother's side are called maternal and relations on father's side are called paternal. Now, here are some important relations which helps us to solve blood relations problems. So, first is mother's और father's son यानी आपके मम्मा या पापा का बेटा. अब मम्मा या पापा का जो बेटा है वो आपका क्या लगेगा बच्चों? आपका ब्रदर लगेगा. नेक्स्ट मदर्स और फादर्स डॉटर. आपके मम्मा या पापा की जो डॉटर है वो आपकी क्या लगेगी? सिस्टर. बट अगर क्वेश्चन में गिवन है राम्स मदर्स और फादर्स ओनली सन, देन they are talking about Ram because it is given that only son, only is for यानी कि राम के जो माता पिता हैं उनका सिर्फ एक ही पुत्र है. नेक्स्ट इज मदर्स और फादर्स ब्रदर. अब आपको पता है आपके मदर के जो ब्रदर हैं जिन्हें आप हिंदी में मामा बोलते हैं उन्हें हम इंग्लिश में क्या बोलेंगे? मैटरनल अंकल और अंकल. सो मदर्स और फादर्स ब्रदर इज कॉल्ड अंकल. Next is mother's or father's sister is called aunt. Then mother's or father's father is called grandfather. Then mother's or father's mother is called grandmother यानी दादी माँ. Son's wife is called daughter-in-law and daughter's husband is called son-in-law. Next, husband's or wife's sister is called sister-in-law and husband's or wife's brother is called brother-in-law. Brother's or sister's son is called nephew and brother's or sister's daughter is called niece. Uncle's or aunt's son or daughter is called cousin and sister's husband is called brother-in-law and brother's wife is called sister-in-law. And last is grandson's or granddaughter's daughter is called great-granddaughter. Now let us start some examples. Introducing Asha to guests. आशा को गेस्ट से इंट्रोड्यूस करवाते हुए श्याम said. श्याम ने कहा हर फादर इज द ओनली सन ऑफ माई फादर. उसके पिता मेरे पिता के इकलौते पुत्र हैं. यहाँ पर हर किसके लिए यूज हुआ है? Here her is used for Asha and my is used for Shyam. So how is Asha related to Shyam? Starting from the last, here my father means Shyam's father and only son of my father is Shyam himself. Therefore, Asha's father is Shyam, which means that Asha is the daughter of Shyam. Now coming to the next example, A is brother of Q. A Q का भाई है. B is father of A. B A का पिता है. S is wife of B. S B की पत्नी है. So what is S of Q? तो S का Q से क्या रिश्ता है? On the top of the screen, we can see that A is the brother of Q. But we can't judge the gender of Q as it is not mentioned. And according to question, B is the father of A. So, he is also the father of Q. Now, look at the other part of the screen. S is wife of B, which means that B and S are husband and wife and S is mother of Q. Example 3. Pointing to a photograph, एक चित्र की ओर इशारा करते हुए A man said, एक पुरुष कहता है I have no brother or sister, but that man's father is my father's son. मेरा कोई भाई बहन नहीं है, परंतु उस पुरुष का पिता मेरे पिता का पुत्र है. Whose photograph was it? Starting from the last, here, my father's son means man's father's son, and that is man himself. Now, look at the question. That man's father is my father's son. That means man in the photograph is the son of the man who is talking. So, man in the photograph is his son. Now, coming to the next example, Anil introduces Rohit as the son of the only brother of his father's wife. अनिल रोहित का परिचय देते हुए कहता है यह मेरे पिता की पत्नी के इकलौते भाई का पुत्र है. हाउ इज रोहित रिलेटेड टू अनिल? रोहित अनिल से कैसे संबंधित है? Starting from the last, here his father's wife means Anil father's wife and father's wife is called mother. Now look at the question. Only brother of his father's wife, that is mother's brother, called as uncle. And lastly, son of the only brother of his father's wife. So uncle's son is called cousin. Hence Rohit is Anil's cousin. Pointing towards a person in a photograph, एक चित्र में व्यक्ति की ओर इशारा करते हुए अंजलि said, अंजलि कहती है He is the only son of the father of my sister's brother. यह मेरी बहन के भाई के पिता का इकलौता पुत्र है. How is that person related to अंजलि? तो उस व्यक्ति का अंजलि से क्या रिश्ता है? Starting from the last, my sister's brother means Anjali's sister's brother. That is also Anjali's brother. Now look at the question. Father of my sister's brother mean Anjali's brother's father, who is also Anjali's father. And lastly, only son of the father of my sister's brother means the person in the photograph is Anjali's brother. Thank you.